Hello, Willie Stoltz here, used truck sales manager for Industrial Power Trucking Equipment. Today we're going to be doing a walk around on this 2015 Hino 268A. It is an air brake air ride truck, and it is 25,950 GVW, so it does fall in under that CDL. Before we jump into the walk around on this truck, I want to make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, so every time we put new product on, you'll be notified and you can check it out when it comes in. We bring our trucks in from our leasing departments or from a customer's trade-in, which this truck came from. We go through it, go through the cabs, box, lift gates. Any discrepancies are found, we run them through our medium shop and our body shop. Once that's done, we do a QC test drive, clean them up, put them online for our customers to look at. As we said, this is a 2015 Hino 268 air ride air brake truck. And on top of that 150-point walk around, we have done the engine oil filter, fuel and air filters have been done. The DPF filter has been serviced on this truck, and it is pre-qualified for an AGWS extended warranty. Let's take a look at the inside of the truck real quick. As we climb up into the truck, plenty of grab handles. Driver's seat's got a nice air ride suspension seat, two-person bench, so you can have a crew of 3. With the Hinos, you got that great outward visibility with the upward visibility with the slope nose. It is diesel automatic. It's got the Hino 6-cylinder and Allison automatic transmission. It is an air brake truck, and as we said, also it does have air ride suspension, which some contracts require that. We've got the AM, FM, CD radio, cruise control, air conditioning, and this truck does have the powered and heated large mirrors on the doors, so your driver can adjust the mirrors from the driver's seat, not having to get in and out. And even though this is a 2015 year model truck, you can see it's very well maintained and cleaned. Be a great ride for your guys to get in and start making you money with. Let's take a look at the business into the truck real quick. A lot of people aren't aware of this, but Hino is Toyota's commercial truck. So when you purchase a Hino, you're getting Toyota's dependability and reliability that they're known for worldwide. This is a nice aluminum 26-foot box. It's not all beat up like a lot of trucks you look at. It is a Southern truck. Not a whole lot of rust on it. It's got good rubber all the way around. As we said, this is an air ride truck. And this truck can go ground to dock, dock to ground, or dock to dock with this really nice lift gate. It is a big platform. It's 86 wide, 62 inches deep, so you can get that pallet and pallet jack on here, or whatever load you're trying to put in the back of the truck. And it is a level ride. It just went up level. Now it's going to ride level all the way up, so you don't have to worry about your products rolling off. Gets up to the top, fits right like it should. This is a 26, 103, 102 wide, full plywood, scuff on the bottom all the way around. Now, even though it is full plywood, we can still put E-track, 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, whatever you're looking for. It's got a really nice aluminum roof in it, got the dome light in it for the early morning, late afternoon deliveries, and a really nice laminated hardwood floor in it. And as you can see, the lift gate works just as good going down as it did going up. A lot of our customers come into Industrial Power knowing they're wanting to buy some kind of delivery truck, but really not knowing always what they're looking for. Of course, we're starting to get the 26 footers back in, but we are also starting to get our smaller 14, 16, 18 footers in too. And even though this truck is in really nice shape, we can take and totally wrap the body and the cab if you'd like to with your name, design, graphics, phone number, turning that fuel money into advertising money while your driver's going down the road. Again, we've got a really nice 2015 Hino 268 air ride air brake truck. Already set up for that AGWS extended warranty. If you'll go to our website, iptruck.com, our Facebook page, and go ahead and hit that subscribe and notification bell, so that way when we put new product on, you will be notified. Stick with us for a minute. We're going to tilt the hood on the truck, start it up, and give you a little more intimate walk around of the truck while it's running. And as always, we appreciate your time.